They say never trust a skinny chef. Well, don't trust an off-roader that hasn't gotten stuck. And if you do get stuck, you better have the gear to get out. Now, recovery bags are nothing new. A lot of companies make recovery bags, but in this collaboration with ASR, we wanted to take that to a new level of simplicity. So let me show you the recovery tool roll. Instantly, you can see literally everything. It's not a bag where it's dark and you're digging through trying to find something. Additionally, everything stays in its little container. So not only is everything labeled kinetic rope, hitch receiver, strap extension, but it has its own container. And these containers come off, they're MOLLE attached. So you can undo these and take them over to the vehicle and not take your entire roll. It's brilliant. I don't know why it's never been done before. I can only take credit for part of this. Even better, they include a recovery guide that we worked on that shows you the basic techniques to recovery, because even if you've done it a lot or you've taken classes or you have a buddy that's shown you, having a guide just to say, hey, how do I string that bridle again? Oh, wait, if I want to attach the soft shackle, do I do this first or that? It's all there. It's in detail in the instructions. It's laminated. You can crinkle it up. It's going to stay good for years. And then things as simple as the soft shackle, which of course have a beautiful logo on it. Even something as simple as that has rigging instructions on the product. So again, it's not just one of the best, highest quality manufacturers of off-road equipment. It's also one of the simplest to use. You don't have to stand there and be embarrassed to walk up to someone else on the trail and ask them how to use various parts of your kit. You just can look it up yourself. Additionally, this is a magnetic owl medallion. This comes in every kit. You cannot buy these. You either got this from me because I think you're awesome, or you got this in one of our recovery kits. That's included in every kit. It comes with a hitch receiver, pin, and this awesome hitch receiver, and it's all machined nice and smooth. There's no edges on this, and the reason that's important is that when you're using a soft shackle with a hitch receiver, you can't have any sharp edges. And when I say this stuff is smooth, when you get your hands on this, it is so incredibly smooth. You're never going to tear up your straps again. And then each little bag, and of course this is just there when it's new, you take that off, but you can wind this strap up, and the bags are not so tight. If you ever try to put like a tent away and for some reason they make the bag so tiny, or a sleeping bag, that they can do it at the factory and that's the last time it can ever be done, we gave you enough room that you can coil this up by hand and still get it back in the bag. And then you can throw in all your little gear that doesn't otherwise have a home in the middle. And we even give you a brand new pair of super high quality leather mechanics gloves, because anytime you're doing recovery, you should not be using ropes with your bare hands. So this is the new Owl recovery kit, recovery roll, whatever you want to call it. We make it for both SUVs like this 80 series, although you know 80 series, it's not getting stuck anytime soon. The Grenadier, also not very good at getting stuck. Vans, we actually make a separate kit for vans where everything is taken up a notch because the weight is so much more than an SUV. If you have a Grenadier, I hate the term SUV, but if you have a Grenadier or a Land Cruiser or a Lexus, you're gonna want the SUV kit. If you've got a Teton, an Echo, an Open Trail, a Sprinter van, you're gonna want the van kit because everything is rated for the added weight of those vans. So if you have ever wondered or want to become proficient in recovery, you can take a course, but it's also good to have all the right equipment in one spot with instructions to make sure you can get yourself or someone else out of a sticky situation.